Are you experiencing terrible frame rates and feeling like your RTX 3050 isn't pulling its weight? Let's dive straight into solving low GPU usage. First, let's optimize your power settings. Head to the Nvidia control panel by right-clicking on your desktop. Select Manage 3D Settings. In the Global Settings tab, scroll down and find Power Management Mode. Change this to Prefer Maximum Performance because this will ensure your GPU always runs at its full potential. Then, apply these changes. Now, let's tweak settings for individual games in the same Nvidia control panel. Navigate to Program Settings. Select a game you want to optimize from the drop-down menu. If your game runs slowly, it also may not be using your GPU. Repeat the adjustment in the Global Settings. Again, setting Power Management Mode to Prefer Maximum Performance. Click Apply. Next, check the game's graphics settings. Make sure your resolution isn't too high and set the graphics quality to a balanced level. Reducing detail level can relieve stress on your RTX 3050, leading to more usage and higher frame rates. Also, try using the recommended settings given by the game. Finally, check any background applications that are using too much of your CPU because this can create a bottleneck. Open the Task Manager and see if there are processes that consume too much CPU percentage. If yes, close unnecessary programs to free up resources. After all of this, if your GPU usage is still low, your computer's hardware may be a bottleneck. Hopefully, these steps will let you unlock the full power of your RTX 3050.